Well, at the Soul Summit, I'm going to bring in the element of heart intelligence and show that we all have this magnificent, beautiful power inside each and every one of us. That everybody truly does have a good heart, even though it doesn't look that way at times. And that reconnecting with that part of ourselves can be easier than people might think. And when we do, life rewards us differently. It becomes a different experience entirely. Now, to make that point, I'm going to bring in new understandings about the world, where we are today, where society is today, about the changes and shifts in consciousness that we're going through. I will use science to support what I say by showing some of the new innovations that are happening in science, heart math science, and others that are recasting heart in a whole new way. And also be able to show that heart is emerging, the qualities of the heart are showing up throughout society. And that if we want to make this shift inside ourselves, to really find that next place in our own consciousness, and to also be co-creators and contributors to making this world a better place, that the qualities of the heart and the intelligence of the heart are essential for that process to unfold. Well, in my keynote speech, I think I'm confident that I can inform and inspire. But in the workshops, when we need to get down to business, that's when I'll be sharing specific tools and techniques that we can use and apply after the summit's over. I mean, we want the summit to be not just something we attended that, wow, that was great, but that carries itself over so that it makes a difference in our life ongoing. It's something that we experience and then use and implement for the rest of our lives. So in the workshop, I'm going to take all that and put it into tools and techniques that we're going to practice. I want it to be a very hands-on experience. I don't want to be the speaker guy in that context. I want to be part of it. I want to be a facilitator. I want to be in the midst of that whole experience. And it is about experience. It's not just about the information anymore. That has to be done live. And so the workshop portion of what I'll do will be designed exactly for that, to create an experience based around heart that goes forward into our lives and lasts for a really long time.